Hey there, salty dogs. Welcome to another episode. It was a rough day of fishing out there. We went out this morning. The wind was coming out from the north, but it was in the single digits. As the morning passed by, it definitely turned up on us, and it turned to the east, which makes it real tough out in East Bay. But went to a deep canal, got on some fish early, got a nice bull red that you'll see in the video, and then a little later in the day went to the back of a bayou and caught a nice slot red. Caught a couple other small rat reds and some flounder that you'll see in the video. But it's still great to get out there and get some fishing done. It's been a while, but water temperature is in the mid 50s. So yeah, the fish wanted a mixture of slow finesse fishing. I used a Salt Strong Polk County tweaker, and that bait did the trick. Used it with a 1/8 ounce jig head and used the same bait all day and consistently caught fish. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my Patreon page where I disclose some more details on what I'm using and where I'm going and how I'm doing it. So hope you enjoy the episode. Let's go fishing. Yep. That was a good one. Sorry, he didn't even know he was probably still hanging around. Yeah. Oh, I got one too. Oh, damn. Double hook up. Yeah, mine's a bull, I think. Maybe not. Oh, all right, this one's going for your fish fry right here. I don't have a net, so you got to fight them until they tucker out. I think so. There's a school out there. Ah, shit. You know, that let us drift out too far. I'm gonna have to scare it off the rest of them. It's easier for me to just do it with the grippers. When I use treble hooks, I hate fucking with it. Yeah. See, I get them just like that, and then reel her up. Just go like this. Come on, girl. Come here, come here. Whoop. Nice. Yeah, she's too big. Yeah, she's too big. Somebody hooked her before. Red right here, caught her on the Polk County tweaker. Fishing it low and slow. Water temp about 54 degrees outside. But no, beautiful morning. Looks like the weatherman was wrong again. But you know, we're not complaining. But go ahead and let her smell on the camera. We're gonna let this big girl go. What's up? Oh, it's still kicking our ass. Oh shit, was that you I saw cutting across the bay? Yeah. Oh, hey, I got a fish, man. I gotta go. I got a fish. Oh shit. That's a good one. Perfect redfish. Told you they come back. Oh, you got one too? All right, girl. Come here, girl. Come on. Oh, man. Oh, she's got that one too. You're keeping fish, right? All right, got a nice slot redfish here. She measured in about 23, 24 inches. Put up a great fight. Went for the Polk County tweaker again. So nice multi-spotter. Beautiful redfish. Oh, another fish right here. Here we go. Here we go. Eat it. Oh! Yep, they're right here. Fine, you're fine. Oh, here's another one. Gotcha. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yep. Stacked up right here. We're gonna have a good afternoon. We're gonna have a good afternoon here. probably maybe 18, 19. I like them smaller if I'm gonna eat them.